Today I want to introduce you to a money-making machine that you all can benefit from. A machine that only by strengthening it, you can not only make a lot of money for yourself but also do anything. If you've ever followed my videos, you know that I don't want to take up too much of your time and keep you on hold just to get more watch time. Rather, I always try to leave the impact of my speech in a short time. Even though it's just the voice of your unreal friend. With a lot of research that I have done about rich people and famous athletes and celebrities and all famous people, I realized one very important and simple thing that many of us do not care about and ignore. The real rich people, who have enough money of their own forever and don't worry about money anymore, are much more aware of this than the rest of society. Notice the money-making machine that you can make infinite money just by strengthening it. Let me first introduce the difference between those who are aware of it and those who are unaware of it. You must have seen people who won huge lottery prizes but not only did nothing with that money and spent it, but also got themselves into debt and had to work more to make ends meet. Just pay the debts. But does a rich person do this? Does he also turn $1 million into debt? Not. For someone who is rich and has the science of wealth, even $1,000 will turn into several $1 million. Yes. You guessed right. This money-making machine is thought or brain or science or whatever you call it. You can easily become rich by learning about money and ways to have money. But this comfort that I am saying is the result of what they have learned and the expenses they have incurred to learn more. That is why I always emphasize your learning. Let me express this to you in another way. A rich person with experience can become rich again if he loses all his wealth. Because he has traveled this way once and has learned what he should and should not do. For example, he knows that you should earn $1,000 from your work than earn $1,500 from working for others. Or he knows what ups and downs the path to becoming rich has had for him and what path he should take to return to his wealth faster. Now if it is the second time that he loses his wealth again, this time he has learned the reasons for losing his wealth and knows what he should not do so that his wealth will not be lost again. Now that he wants to go this way for the third time, he can return to his wealth 3 times faster. With the difference that now he knows how not to lose his wealth. This is very important. What do you learn from your misfortunes? Many of you may have been very disappointed and depressed when you lost money before this video. But now you know that you have to think about what this event wants to teach you. Learning from mistakes is one of the most important principles of getting rich. Be sure to strengthen this skill and enjoy your invincibility. If you learned even the smallest thing from this video, like the video so that more people can learn more. Subscribe to the channel, which will help my channel and its continuation the most. Thanks a lot. Good luck and always keep learning.